In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a brand logo in Typeform. Having your logo on your form is a simple but powerful way to make your Typeform look professional and on brand. I'll walk you through each step and you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Typeform and head to your workspaces area. This is where all of your forms are organized. Make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you manage multiple brands or projects. Once you're there, look for the form where you want to add your logo. In this example, I'll select an existing form, but you can use any form you've already created. Click on your chosen form to open the editor. At the top of the editor, you'll see several tabs. Go ahead and click on the Design tab. This is where you control how your form looks: colors, fonts, backgrounds, and of course your logo. Inside the Design section, look for the option labeled My Theme with a plus button next to it. Click on that. What you're doing here is creating or customizing a theme that includes your logo, so you can easily reuse it across other forms later. Next, find the option that says Add Logo and click it. This will open up the Logo Settings panel. Here, Typeform lets you upload your brand image. Click on Upload, or the area that says you can drop an image. Then select your logo file from your computer. A PNG or JPG with a transparent background usually looks best, but use whatever version of your logo you normally use online. Once the logo is uploaded, you'll see controls to edit the size and alignment. Take a moment here to get it looking right. Adjust the size so it's clearly visible but not overwhelming, and choose the alignment that best matches your design, typically top left or centered. If your logo looks blurry, try uploading a higher resolution version. When you're happy with how it looks, make sure to click on Save Changes. This step locks in your new theme with the logo included, so you don't lose your adjustments. Now you can close the Design tab or switch back to the main form view. You should see your logo displayed on the form preview. That's it. Your Typeform now carries your brand identity.